Good morning, students. Today we start with the unit 2 of paper 1, that is, and in this first point, biodiversity in terrestrial environment. The biodiversity in terrestrial environment includes forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, and desert ecosystem, in which we first study about the forest ecosystem. The forests are natural plant communities with dominance of flowering plants. Trees, shrubs, herbs, and climbers are present in large numbers. Some examples of forest ecosystem are tropical rainforest, tropical savannas forest, temperate forest, taiga or boreal forest, temperate shrub forest. First one, that is tropical rainforest. Such forests are located in equatorial regions of Earth, such as in Congo River Basin of Africa, Central America, etc. The annual rainfall is 140 centimeters and average annual temperature exceeds 18 degrees centigrade. These forests are characterized by warm and humid climate, broad-leaved plants, tall plants, abundance of insects and invertebrates, and high diversity of tree species. Second example is tropical savanna forest. Such forests are located in Africa, Southeast Asia, Australia, and some other parts of India, where rainfall is seasonal but high, annually about 100 centimeters to 150 centimeters. These forests are characterized by dry and wet seasons alternating with one another. Warm climate having dominantly found species in this ecosystem, like animals like elephants, zebra, giraffe, kangaroo, only in Australia, etc. Means the kangaroo are found only in Australia. Temperate forest. Such forests are found in eastern regions of Asia and USA, North Central Europe, etc. The annual rainfall is about 75 centimeters to 150 centimeters and average temperature is not more than 20 degrees centigrade. These forests are characterized by abundance of insects and birds, tall deciduous trees, dominance of hard trees for furniture and building purposes, and common species of animals found in this ecosystem are frogs, lizards, rabbits, snakes, deers, bears, etc. Next example, that is taiga or boreal forest. Such forests are found across east-west band of North Europe, North Asia and North America, and in close vicinity below 60 degree north latitude to where the climate is cold. The annual rainfall varies from 10 cm to 35 cm and average temperature ranges between 6 degrees centigrade in winter to 20 degrees centigrade in summer. These forests are characterized by cold climate due to high altitudes and high latitudes dominated by conifers, which are important source for making paper and pulp and lumber. Common species found in this ecosystem are the following: birds, owl, eagle, migratory birds; animals, foxes, rabbits, deers, squirrels, etc. Vegetation: pines, cedar and larches. Temperate shrub forest. These are also called Mediterranean subforests. Such forests are found in South Africa, South Australia, along the Mediterranean, Chile and coast of California, where the rainfall in winter only is less and temperature is moderate. These forests are characterized by dry climate with moist air. Vegetation is broad-leaved and resinous plants such as rubber. Common species found in this ecosystem are reptiles, small mammals, large mammals, etc. Then the abiotic components of forest. Abiotic components are inorganic compounds present in air and soil, organic compounds present in air and soil, and scattered debris of dead bodies of plants and animals. Then biotic components of forest. The biotic components, it is classified into producers, consumers and decomposers. Producers are trees of diversified species, different type of vegetation, shrubs, herbs, etc. Primary consumers, they are ant, spiders, mice, deer, giraffe and elephant. Secondary consumers are birds, snakes and foxes, while the tertiary consumers include tigers, lions, leopards, etc. Decomposers found in forest, they are fungi and bacteria and some other soil microorganisms. This is all about the terrestrial biodiversity in forest. Thank you.